Today in this lecture we are going to solve the questions of difference set and complement set. As we discussed in earlier lecture that difference set is set A minus B. Difference of A minus B means all the elements of a set which are in A but not in B, right? And complement is set U minus A, set of all elements of U which are not in A, right? That you know the two definitions of complement set and another one is difference set. So it is given example number 18, page 17. Let A is equal to this and B is equal to this, then find B minus A and A minus B. So first we find out A minus B. So A minus B means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Minus B is 2, 4, 6, 8. Now A minus B means set of all elements which are in A but not in B. That means you have to subtract all elements of B from A. So this is 2, this is 2. So 2 is not included. 4 is here, so not included. 6 is here. 8, no 8. Right? So set of all elements which are in A but not in B. So this element 1, 3 and 5 are in A but not in B, right? So we can't write 8 also because there is no 8. These 2, 4 and 6 are only there. So we have to neglect this. Means omitted, we have to omit these 3 elements only, right? So set of all elements of A which are not in B. Which are not in B. So from A you have to neglect the common elements, right? From first set, difference means you have to write the common, neglect the common elements, right? And remaining elements of first set is your answer. So remaining element of first set is 1, 3 and 5. So A minus B is 1, 3 and 5, right? Now B minus A. So B minus A. Now first set is B. So we have to write first set B. So 2, 4, 6 and 8 minus A. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now difference means we have to subtract common elements. So we have to remove common elements from first set. So common element 2 is here. So 2 will be subtracted. 4 is here. 6 is also there. Right? Now 8 is only remaining in first set. So that is your different set. That is your answer will be 8. So this is your first answer. This is your second answer. Now similarly for question number 19, that is example number 19, illustration 19, page 17. Let V is equal to this and B is equal to this, then find B minus B and B minus V. B minus V. Right? So first V minus B. So V is given A, E, I, O, U. Minus set B is A, I, K, U. So answer of this, we have to remove common element from first set. So A is here, right? I is here, K, no K, U is here. So remaining sets elements are O and E, right? So our answer will be E and O. Then B minus B. Now B is A, I, K, U and V is A, E, I, O, U. So remove common elements from first set. So A is common, I is common, no K and U. So answer will be K, right? So answer will be K, right? So got it? Different set means you have to remove common elements from first set. From first set, that is important. If there is a no U and no O and no E in A, no problem. This is only removing. We have to remove only common elements from A because definition says that elements which are in A but not in B. So this Only A is not in B, otherwise all are in A, right? So this is your definitions. Now, question number 9. A, B, C and D sets are given, then we have to find these all numbers. 12 answer we have to find out. So first answer, A minus B. Right? So A, we have to tick mark like this, right? So I'm writing all sets and then separating. Okay? So that is the best idea. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 minus set B is this set B. So minus 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. Right? Difference of sets means you have to remove common elements from first set. So 3, no 3, 6, no 6, 9, no 9, 12, yes. Then remove 15, no 15, 18, no 18, 20, no 20. So answer will be, except this, we have to remove 12. So answer is 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21. So this is your A minus B. Then A minus C. So A is same set, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 minus C. Set C is this, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. Right? Difference of a set. I am repeating always, each time. That means you can get the best and better idea, right? So difference means we have to separate common elements from first set. So 3, no 3, 6, yes, 6 is common elements, 9, no 9, 12, yes, that 12 is common element, 15, no 15, 18, no 18, 21, no 21. So except these 6 and 12, remaining elements of A is your answer, right? So remaining elements of A are 9, 3, 9, then 15, 18 and 21 is your answer, right? Then third one is A minus D. So A minus D means A is same set, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 minus Delhi. Set Delhi is this, 5, 10, 15, 20. Right? I am repeating each time definition. Right? A minus B means we have to delete the common elements from first set. So 3, no 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Yes, 15 is there. Right? 18, 21. So all elements except 15. These. Right? Is the answer. So answer will be 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21. Right? Then fourth one means B minus A. So B minus A. Set B. Set B is this, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 minus A. A is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Right? So 4, no 4, 8, no 8, 12, yes, 12 is the common element. Right? 16, no 16, 20, no 20. So except 12, all elements means we can't take this. So 4, 8, 16 and 20 are the answer. So question's answer is 4, 8, 16 and 20. Got it? How to write the difference of a set. Okay? It's clear now? So now question number 5. Question number 5 is C minus A. C minus A. So set C. Set C is 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 10, 12, 14, 16 minus set A is this, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Right? I am again repeating. Difference means you have to subtract common elements from first set. So 2, no 2, 4, 6, yes 6 is common element, 8, 10, 12, yes 12 is the common element, 14, 16, no 16. So except 6 and 12, remaining elements are answer. So answer is 2, 4, 8, 10, 14, 16. This is your answer. Now 6th one. 6th one is D minus A. So D minus A. Now set D. Set D is 5, 10, 15, 20. 5, 10, 15, 20 minus A. A is 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Again, difference means yes, same element from first set. Neglect, right? So no 5, no 10, no 15. Yes, 15 is there. 20, no 20. So remaining is 5, 10, 20. So 5, 10 and 20 is your answer. Then 7. Question number 7 is B minus C, I think. Yeah, B minus C. So set B. Set B is 4, 8, 12. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 minus set C is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Right? So answer. Yes. Common element from first set. Neglect. So 4. So 4 is there. 8. Yes, 8 is there. 12. Yes, 12 is there. 16. Yes, 16 is there. So only remaining 20. So 20 is your answer. Right? So 20 is your answer. Then 8. So question number 8 is this. B minus D. So B minus D. B is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 minus set D is 5, 10, 15, 20. So 5, 10, 15, 20. Right? Difference means yes. So 4, no 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 20 is there. So remaining elements, that is 4, 8, 12 and 16. So 4, 8, 12 and 16 is your answer. Then 9. Question number 9 is C minus B. C minus B. C is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 minus Bombay. Bombay is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So answer will be common element from first set, remove. So 2, no 2, 4, 4 is there, 6, no 6, 8, yes 8 is there, 10, no 10, 12, yes 12 is there, 14, no 14, 16, yes 16 is there. So remaining elements are 2, 6, 10, right? So 2, 6, 10, 2, 6, 10 and 14. So 2, 6, 10 and 14 are the answer. Then question number 10. Question number 10 is D minus B. Delhi minus Bombay. Delhi is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 minus Bombay. Bombay is 4, 8, 12. Delhi is, how we write this? Delhi is, this is B, right? Delhi is, B is 5, 10, 15, 20 minus. So take care of this like mistake, right? Like this mistake. B. Bombay is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. So this is your Bombay. Yeah, again we are making some mistake. Bombay is writing from here is making mistake. So Bombay is not this. Once there is a mistake, we are going to repeat the mistake again and again. So Bombay is this 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. Right? So write carefully. 5, no 5, 10, no 10, 15, no 15. Only 20 is the common. So remaining 5, 10 and 15 are answer. So 5, 10, 15. 5, 10 and 15 is the answer. Then question number 11, I am writing here because I have to be bent. I don't want to bend more. Right? So 11 is, question number 11 is C minus D. So C minus D. And set C is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Right? So 2, 4, 6, 8. Is 10 there? Yes. So 10, 12, 14 and 16. Minus Delhi. Delhi is I think 5, 10, 15, 20. Yes. So 5, 10, 15, 20. I am not able to see from here because of glare of the light. So I have to look like this. Okay. So that's why. So 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay. Common element. 5, no 5. 10. Yes, 10 is there. 15, no 15. 20, no 20. So answer will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14 and 16. Right? And last is D minus C. So 12 question number is D minus C is, this is first. So 5, 10, 15, 20 minus Chennai is C. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. So answer of this is no 5. Yes, 10 is there. So 10 and no other 15, 20. So answer is 5, 15 and 20. So at last we finish this all answer. It's a nice practice for you. So do practice at home. Okay.